Okay, so this is on page 58, the length of the unknown side. Okay, so this is the drawing as it is at the beginning. Okay, so we understand that our perimeter is 60. So with that, knowing that in the beginning is going to help us find out what our missing side is going to be. Okay, so this is the missing side. Okay, so what we've got here, and we've got to understand and know what the characteristics are of a rectangle. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to do some kind of extra things here that's going to kind of give you an idea of how to go about solving these. Okay, so we know opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Okay, so we know this side is got to be is parallel and equal to this side. So from here to here is 10, but we have 8 of that. So we're going to do some dotted lines here. So we know that's going to be a 2. Okay? And so same thing here. If this side of the rectangle is 10, this side is 10 also. Okay? So we'll go ahead and label that 10 centimeters. So same comparison over here is over here. Okay? If this side of the rectangle is 8, then this side of the rectangle is 8. We're going to say if that was a dotted line right there and this was a rectangle itself from here to there. So same philosophy over here. This is 10. This is 10. This is 8. This has to be 2. Okay? So knowing we're doing that, that has no bearing on the problem, what we're doing, but we know that we've got a rectangle here. And so this segment of this side is 3 centimeters. Here to here is 10, here to here is 10. If this is 3, then this has to be 3 centimeters. Okay. So what we're going to do, take into consideration what we've got here, we'll add this 10 plus something there. We don't know what that is. This is going to be a plus 3. That part's a plus 3. This is a 10. That's a 3. That's an 8. That's a 3. Here's a 3. There's a 3. There's a 10. There's a 3. There's an 8. We know that's a 3. We know this is an 8. So that's what we have there. And then we've got some other space there, okay? So if you'll see what we've got left, we've got all this taken care of. We have this and this left, and it's equal. So that's another blank. So all that has got to equal to 60. So we're going to add all this up. We have 10 plus 3 plus 3 plus 10 plus 3 plus 8 plus 3 plus 8. So all this equals 48. So 48 plus something equals 60. Okay. So we know that it's 12. The answer is 12 plus 48, 60. So we've got 2 blanks that we've got to divide 12 into, top and the bottom. So this and this has got to be equal. So if we divide 12 by 2, we get 6. So this is a 6, and this is a 6. So our missing side is 6 plus 3 plus 3, which is 12. So our missing side to that is 12 centimeters. And like I said, that's page 58, the geometry page right here. Page numbers at the bottom. And that's the first one. This is probably the most complicated one. If you have any other questions, let me know. Bring them to me. But we should be able to get started on that. That's an area of compound shapes. We know that already. We should be good with that. But this is the one that I just worked out.